The refreshments are real. What's going on, my SafeMoon astronauts? It is your Captain RJ coming in with another SafeMoon update. In today's video, we are going to go ahead and do a how-to video on the all-new SafeMoon swap feature. We will be using it on the Android device. Before we do get started, if you guys are new to the channel, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button down below, as it does truly help the almighty YouTube algorithm promote this video and this channel to find other SafeMoon holders such as yourselves and other potential SafeMoon holders out there. Also, follow me in my other social media platforms here. It is just at RJ Ardonis. I know this is one of the newest features out there. People have questions. They're trying to use it on their iOS device. They're trying to connect their Binance. They're trying to use the buy feature. So let's see if we can clarify some of that in this video. So without further ado, let's head right on in to the flight deck. Welcome to the flight deck, everyone. So the first thing I want to cover over is the infamous buy button, and I want to make sure that it's perfectly clear what is happening here. If we take a look at the buy button on a browser, so if I open up Google Chrome here and I have the MetaMask plugin installed, if I hit buy, it will redirect me to the Wire website. But obviously, Wire does not support any BEP20 tokens as of yet. So what I can do is I can scroll down here and I can buy all sorts of coins, but not BEP20. And that is because, if we scroll down here, this is part of the reason why the wallet was delayed. And so it's because of Wire. If you guys take a look at Wire's website, they currently do not list any BEP tokens anywhere, and that is because they don't use them. In fact, SafeMoon was to be the original BEP20 token that Wire sells. Now, in a few communications in the past, there was, I believe, a Discord chat somewhere, and I couldn't find it anymore, but they had, without really name calling anyone, SafeMoon did say that they had issues with one of their partners on ramping BEP20 tokens, and that's of course talking about Wire. And so if you guys try the buy button on the browser and you have MetaMask installed, you can click on it and it's going to direct you to Wire, but you can only do USD to other supported coins right now until they get the BEP tokens situated. Now, moving on over to make things more clear, because again, I know there's a lot of confusion out there right now. With CEO John Caroni's tweet, he says the swap feature is on dApps. All right, and if you guys remember, dApps is only on the Android device because iOS and Apple removed the dApp browser from all iOS devices. Therefore, the in-app swap on the SafeMoon wallet is for Android versions only. And so the clip we're going to see here is of me on my Google Pixel, and I will show you guys how I did it. So here is my Google Pixel. This is a pre-recorded, so I'm just going to go ahead and hit play. And here's my Trust Wallet. Here's my MetaMask. So I'm going to open Trust Wallet. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on the dApp browser, and then I'm going to search inside the dApp browser safemoon.net. So we will go directly to their website using the dApp browser. And when we go in here, I'm going to test the buy button for you guys. And again, as proof, you will only be redirected to Wire. And here I changed my network to Smart Chain, and that doesn't do anything, of course, because Wire doesn't support BEP20 tokens. Okay, so there's only coins that they support right now. So here you'll see that I type SafeMoon, no results, and of course, just for kicks, I type pSafeMoon, and nothing there. So I close it, and then I go ahead and access the swap function. And on the top right, you can see that I am under the Binance Smart Chain. So I will go ahead and select a token. I'll select SafeMoon. And I will pause it here because I do want to show you guys a very, very sneaky and awesome cheat sheet that I learned from one of our followers. He's been trying to contact me and we've been having some weird issues. People keep marking, either other people or SafeMoon have been marking his comment as spam, so I can never ever receive it. But this is a neat cheat sheet that he showed me. So when you guys select SafeMoon, you guys have to click on this graph bar thing here, and you have to change your slippage. Now, when you go ahead and change your slippage, you don't have to do the 12%. What you can do is you can go to 0.1%, so you don't have to do the full 12% slippage. This is just an actual cheat sheet for watching this channel, and only those that see it will get this. If you add 0.000 at the end, you will see it absolutely works. I don't know if this is going to work forever, or if SafeMoon's going to take it down, or if, I don't know who's going to take it down. But when you confirm the swap, here's the smart contract call. And I'm going to go ahead and approve it. I just wanted to test this with $50. Transaction submitted. You see on the top right that it's pending. I'll close. And here is the BSC scan. Here's a transfer. Here's the SafeMoon. And that's that. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I hope it clarified a lot of things. Again, this is SafeMoon's new SafeMoon swap that they just came out with, which is kind of cool because it saves you from having to go to PancakeSwap if you're not using one of the approved exchanges. Again, you can go, if you're using Ethereum's network and the MetaMask wallet, you can purchase SafeMoon using the swap feature, or if you are still on Binance and using Trust Wallet, you can, if you're on the Android device, go from Smart Chain to SafeMoon itself. I hope you guys truly enjoyed that video, and I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of your Tuesday. If you guys haven't already, do me a favor and smashy that like and subscribe button down below. It truly helps the YouTube algorithm promote this video and this channel to find other SafeMoon holders such as yourselves and other potential SafeMoon holders out there. Also, follow me in my other social media platforms here. It is just at RJ Ardonis. And with that being said, eat delicious food, drink delicious drinks, do some good in the world, spread some positive vibes, and I'm gonna see everyone on the next SafeMoon video next time.